Okay, hello guys. I just hope everyone is doing well because I'm also fine. So in this lesson, what I'll be doing parallelograms, questions which are based on what? On parallelograms. What they need you to do, guys, they need you to solve for what? For x there, this x. And in order for you guys to solve that x, you should know this reason. These are the only reason for parallelogram. That opposite sides of parallelogram are parallel. Like opposite side of parallelogram, they should be parallel even as well as this one. And also opposite side of a parallelogram are equal. This side it's equal with that one, even this it's equal to that. And opposite angle of parallelogram are equal. This angle is equal with that one. And diagonal bisect each other. And diagonal lines, these are the diagonal lines, guys. They bisect each other, meaning that they divide each other into two equal parts. This is equal to that, and this is equal to that. The diagonal lines, they divide each other to two equal parts. So please, guys, know this reason. You can even screenshot, try to take them. But be careful, because we've got different type of what? Of parallelogram. So I will show you as the time goes there. But be careful, yeah. So for you guys to solve such question like this, then you want to solve this x there, this x. What I know that these two things, they are equal to each other. That angle there, it's equal with that one. In other words, if I can know this angle, I will be able to solve for x then. But for me, guys, to know this angle, first of all, let me try to solve this one then. This one, guys, I can solve it by saying that here I'm on a straight line there. All of these two angles, they should end up to 180 degree. I can say to you that PQR, angle PQR, when I add it with VQR, they should give me 180 degree. The reason it's why, it's because some angles on straight line equal to 180 degrees then. Some angles there on a straight line, they end up to what? To 180 degree. And now what I can do now, I can substitute. I know this thing there, that's 190 there. And this there I don't know. At this case, guys, I should solve for what? For PQR, this angle. And in order for me to solve that PQR, I will apply algebra, guys, of making this thing to be alone. Sorry, of making this thing to be alone. I can take a number to a number. All of this thing I don't affect, I write the way it is, guys. What you don't affect, you write the way it is. But this one, it goes to the other side, supposed to change the sign there. A number to a number. This there, I will get it here. So let's press our calculator, guys. Try to find out there what are we supposed to get, meaning that it's 180 and minus by 9 this there. It means that I will get 61 degrees. So now at this case, guys, what I will do, I know that these two things, they are equal. I can say to you PSR, it is equal to PQR there. That this it's equal to that one. The reason that it's this one there, it is one of the parallelogram. In parallelogram, guys, this and that are equal. It's because that opposite angles of parallelogram are equal there. Opposite angle, these are the opposite angle, guys. They're supposed to be equal there. So I can say to you opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. They are equal. And now, guys, I know this thing there, it's 61p there. So now what I can do, guys, here I know that it was 61, also that it's 61. At this case now, I will be able to solve that x, because for me to solve for x then, I'll form this statement now. I'll go here, I'll just say to you, I'll say PSW plus PSR. They should give me 180 degree, because, guys, this thing there, it's a straight line. When I add them, they should give me 180 degree. The reason there is for you to say some angles on straight line there. they end up to what? To 180 degree. All the time, guys, if you see the angles there on a straight line, they should give you 180 degree. The word sum, it says that the total angles on straight line equal to 180 degree. But we don't write total, guys. We use sum there. And now this thing, guys, I know it's 61. Here I know that there is x. And now in this case now, I have to solve for x there by applying my what? My algebra. I will take a number to a number. All of this thing, guys, I didn't affect. I write the way it is. This, they will come and change the sign here. Meaning that our x value supposed to be that number there. This minus by this. Meaning that it's supposed to get this number. So it means this is a value for x. Do you see, guys? That's how this thing is supposed to be. Take a screenshot and do your own notes there. Thank you guys for your time. All the best in your studies. God bless you.